I tried to call Jerry too, so.
Yeah.
So
You can't call her anymore.
I know. I can't call my mom either.
Yeah. But you want to know the ironic thing of the whole thing? They had become best friends.
I know.
And they went at the exact same time.
I know. I know, and I think that if one of them would have lived, Mom would have been just really depressed without Jerry.
I'm sure.
And Jerry wouldn't have been fit for you to live with.
And I know they're both in heaven because the devil couldn't put up with both of them at the same time.
They're taking over somewhere. I know that.
Oh yeah.
But I love my mother very much, and she knew it.
I feel that everything that I find is a plus because my granddaughter's alive. I don't care about anything else.
If it wasn't for the granddaughter being here that night, she wouldn't have thought of going down.
I would have gone down. I would have stood out here and tried to watch it.
She would have watched it.
First thing she said, I had her like this underneath me, underneath the table. The first thing she says is, "Grandma, I gotta go potty." And it's just devastating. 40 years of being married, and this is it.
It's funny, she just got her license back, what, a month ago?
Yeah. And my wife wasn't going to be able to drive for her anymore. But she said, well, you're going to drive anyway because we're buddies, best friends. And my wife was the worst passenger in the whole world. If she's traveling, she's driving. And I always kid her when I'm driving and she's riding, she's embarrassing me anyway because of the way she hangs her head out the window and lets her ears flap in the breeze.